Crowns for dental use are a popular dental procedure used to repair damaged teeth and cover imperfections. But, just like natural teeth, your dental crowns require the proper treatment to prolong their life and ensure healthy oral health. In this short video, we'll discuss the best ways you can take care of the dental crowns you have to ensure they look and function at the best they can. 1. Make sure to floss and brush regularly. Like the natural teeth of your mouth are, you must clean and floss your dental crowns on a regular basis to eliminate plaque and avoid dental cavities. Make use of a soft bristled brush as well as fluoride toothpaste to cleanse both the crown as well as the teeth around it. Be sure to floss between the crowns in order to get rid of any food particles or other debris which can lead to tooth decay or gum disease. 2. Beware of sticky or hard foods. To avoid the damage that your crowns can cause to your teeth, it is recommended to avoid sticky or hard foods which can make them crack or loosen. Things such as ice, hard candy as well as nuts could cause excessive pressure on crowns, which weakens their bonds to your tooth. Similar to sticky food items, such as chewing gum and caramel could cause damage or dislodgement to the crowns. 3. Use a mouthguard. If you're prone to grind your teeth during the late at night, or engage in sports that involve contact, it's essential to wear an oral guard to safeguard the crowns on your teeth. The grinding of your teeth could cause damage to the crowns with time, and injuries from sports could result in them chipping or break. An individualized mouthguard will help to cushion your crowns and shield them from the damaging effects of these habits. 4. Visit your dentist regularly. Checkups on your dental health are vital to ensure the proper condition of the dental crowns. The dentist will inspect the crowns to detect any indications of degeneration or wear and will recommend repair or replacement. In addition, professional cleanings will aid in removing the tartar or plaque buildup, which could compromise the strength of crowns. 5. Beware of smoking cigarettes and drinking excessively. Drinking. Alcohol and smoking will not just cause stains on your crowns, but can also weaken the bonds that connects the crown to the tooth. Alcohol and tobacco can raise the likelihood of developing dental decay and gum disease, which could affect the lifespan of the crowns. Stopping smoking cigarettes and restricting consumption of alcohol can help increase the longevity of your crowns as well as general oral health. 6. Think about teeth whitening. As time passes, the dental crowns can be stained or discolored because of exposure to food and drinks. Although dental crowns aren't removed with conventional dental whitening procedures, you can talk about options with your dentist regarding changing or reshaping the crowns in order to complement the natural color of your teeth. Making sure your crowns and natural teeth in the same shade will help keep an even and natural appearance of your smile. As a result, the proper care of your dental crowns is crucial to keeping your mouth healthy and to ensure their long-term durability. If you follow these guidelines and recommendations, you will be able to maintain your crown's appearance and performing at their peak throughout the years. Make sure to floss and brush often, stay clear of hard or sticky food items, use an appropriate mouthguard, make sure to visit your dentist regularly for examinations. Stay away from smoking and drinking excessively, as well as consider tooth treatment for whitening if needed. Dental crowns represent an investment in your smile. Therefore, it is essential to take good proper care of them in order to safeguard your investment.